Let's make taro cooked in coconut cream. Today I'm going to be making a simple dish but a delicious one. This is another dish that I was kindly served at church one Sunday. It is called taro cooked in coconut cream. Tommy the Cowboy on TikTok. I'm following his way of doing it. So he does use coconut milk from the look of his video. So yeah, come along. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, so I'm just going to peel and cut up my taro. Now I'm just going to pop these in a pot of water to boil. Now in a bowl, I'm going to pop in 2 cans of coconut milk. Please don't be offended that I'm using home brand coconut milk. When I see the better brand on special, I will definitely stock up on it. But I'm also trying to teach people that it's okay to improvise. If you can't afford expensive ingredients, does not mean that you have to miss out on such delicious food. It is okay to improvise sometimes. Everyone has a different budget, everyone is in different areas or can't access certain things or whatever else. Don't not try something, improvise. Okay, so the 2 cans in the bowl. And I'm going to slice up an onion. So Tommy said, use your hands. Pop some sea salt in. I'm pretty sure the taro is at the right consistency, so I'm just gonna drain it, drain the water out. So I've drained the water out. And now I'm just gonna pour this mixture into there. Pop the lid back on and just kind of let that marinate in itself for a little while. I'm actually just going to heat up the coconut milk a little bit, then turn it off and just let it sit and do its thing. That's what we're looking like at the minute. All right, that's looking really good. It smells absolutely delicious. Delicious. Let's put some on a plate. So one thing I did notice probably with the home brand coconut milk is not as thick. Even after sitting for a while, it's not as thick, but let's see how it tastes. It's exactly how I remember. Yum. That's absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried it yet, go and try it. I'm gonna go finish this.